Kene Agyapong asɛm yɛbisa sɛ Kene Agyapong yɛakye no anaa ɛwɔ US hɔ yɛakye no anaa yɛakye no anaa mede bɛdi nkɔmmɔ bi ɛyɛ divine Akroma ɛna ɛka sɛ Kene Agyapong agye atom aka akyerɛ court sɛ nsɛm a ɔkae no nyinaa ɔmo mfa nkyɛ no ɔnni evidence na ɛyɛ divine koraa ka sɛ Kene Agyapong sɛ putɔ biribi koraa na ɛkyɛ no na ɔrekasa ɛnua because ɛnyinam sɛ Kene Agyapong some of the words a ɔbɛyi so no ayana menu mmienu kura yɛnte ase hwɛ maama time ɔka nsɛm bebree keka lɔdi na maama ho nsɛm ayɛ Kene Agyapong nsɛm na ɔka dodoɔ na wɔni evidence ɛna ɛyi ɛka sɛ ɛsɛm a wɔawura akɔka no wɔ aburukyerɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔsi wɔni evidence ɔka kyerɛ maa lɔɔde sɛ wɔni evidence nsɛm a ɔka yi wɔni evidence na ɔse ana divine no ka sɛ wɔni evidence nti na ɔkɔ aburukyerɛ no yɛkyerɛ no nti na ebisa sɛ yɛakye no ɛdetain no yɛakye no wɔ hɔ no maana because divine say okaka say nsɛm ɔka yi wɔni evidence yɛnkɔ tie design kan yɛnsi so dia ɔno koraa sɛ wɔnsi so dia ɔse ɛhɔ ɛna yɛkyerɛ no but yɛbisa sɛ yɛakye no anaa yɛbɛka sɛ yɛbisa asɛm because ɔse Kene Agyapong ɛka no court hɔ hyɛ ɔsɛdɛ ma lord council sɛ nsɛm na ɔka no bebree na wɔni evidence anaasɛ wɔni nyinaso bi ɔde kasa asɛm no yɛnkɔ tie ɛwɔ studio hɔ mmra akɔbrɛ so ayɛ daily update so na mehyɛ
Bobia di bɛkyɛ but Abia Wubeka, he will not allow you. That is what Kennedy find himself. I'm not for Kennedy Agyapong. I didn't want to Ghana. Say Adikitwa. What Kennedy have said about politicians in Ghana.
Okay.
So be a celebration of Kokota. Mr. Win Nabesa. But Obia Jan with your cock, Mijau cock. Dibbe Pana Kennedy and can't far Akufado. Dinner Kennedy can't far John Mama. Dinner Kennedy can't far Judges. But everybody was looking at him. Everybody was looking at him. Now, yes, somebody who really want to contest on the ticket of a political party. Look at the disgrace of the US. So I'm saying that it should be a warning. Say, oh, yeah, will be idea. How? One day the person will react. But you see, whatever we do, Kene Agyapong is one of us. Let's wait and get the judgment and see what the judge will say about it.
So your interest is that Kennedy is one of your party.
I'm saying that Kennedy Agyapong, I have not mentioned party. Kennedy Agyapong, you're going to so I'm saying they are one of ours. Let's get them. Let them come and give them a welcome. Next time, please know your boundaries. If you want to say something about somebody, please be careful. I saw him on social media. The way cry your friend now or John that's mobile. You see that? Yeah. Oh, watch it. When the case was mentioned, the way he stood up, you will see that it's a different environment altogether. It is a different environment altogether, and that's what I'm saying. That the way we talk as politicians, the way we talk, we must be very careful. And yes, one day one of us will also find him or herself in such a disgraceful manner. I'm not here to speak for Kene Agyapong. I'm not backing him. He may have his facts, but you must have a second look at it. So don't doubt the integrity of the Ghanaian judiciary.
I have not doubted. I'm just questioning the Obankasa credibility to an extent.
No. There's nothing like credibility.
No.
So are you saying that? No, Divine. Are you saying that at all costs? Kennedy must lose that case, and that must win that.
No. But who is saying that?
No.
That's what he's saying.
No.
So where you are?
The reason why I brought in the Ghanaian, one, it's about defamation. Miankasa Masaranda and somebody be brought no more. It was Abia Popobli and the no, that is what was said. Like he's saying that he didn't have evidence. But if he didn't have evidence in Ghana, now to be found who they are, Evan is saying I'm on the Yachin too. And I say, Evan is about to no.
Hold it. In the Accra trial, in Ghana trial, and that has his team of lawyers. Kene Agyapong has his team of lawyers. They all presented their case before the court.
That's why I'm questioning the Ghanaian system, sir. Obviously, on the evidence.
The cases are not the same.
Why are they not the same?
Who name Asema what you call the Ghanaian court? Do you know who name Asema what you call Ghanaian court? Who name Asema what you call Ghanaian court?
Educate me.
I'm not educating.
It's not the same thing.
Don't.
It's not the same matter.
If you don't know, you don't know.
But it's not the same thing.
I'm saying that if you don't ask me the same thing, you are saying that he lost put the Ghanaian judiciary in question. Why do you have to say that? You don't even know the case. That's
but it's the same matter.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
But, okay, so if we are not sure, listen to me. Listen. No,
don't let me go.
So help us with
listen to. I'm saying
lawyer.
that if the case, if the same facts has already been determined at the Ghanaian court, there's no way that same case will be determined in the US. Call any lawyer. Call any lawyer. Call any lawyer. That's a case. But listen to me. That's a case. The same facts, the same parties, everything has already been determined in Ghana. Then you pick the same case to another jurisdiction for another judge to be determined. Law Benjamin. There are dissimilarities in the case. They are not the same case. They are not the same case.
Until Pacho, what tears is here, we are lawyer pa kukuni. Say, oh, baby, pa not seminar to no for. Oh, Becca say, send your Oracle in Japan, some sort of canning, some no canning, some basano, on fan role model. And I
me can't say, but
we are talking about law.
Yes, why should I do that?
No, so about morality, but no, this is a fact to say. I didn't know how kind of the problem about. I know the problem about.
So why it is no problem?
But the issue is discussed based on law.
And the law is what I'm saying, sir.
On moral issues. Somebody.
No, I'm not saying it's not about the Subayo. Send you what can somewhere there, some abano. Bobby,
no, no asemo, any Ghana sem. And I Ghana sem. If I don't know asem.
I'm make us say. So let's
hold it. If they are to execute the judgment, if there's a judgment, and announced lawyers are to execute it. Say the Ghana Japadena ebeton.
Debbie.
So it is. It has come to the limelight because Kennedy is a high-profile politician. That is why we are all talking about it. But who is he? It is his own case. It is his own case. But does it affect you?
No.
It doesn't affect anybody. It is his own case.
But the reason why we are all discussing it because we're a high-profile politician, and so that is why as I say, put it to court. Say, Tesiano, the man of the party now. The political party and all Ghanaians what is in it? I admit to say wrong or no.
By this one you should know. This one
it's wrong. What so wrong is wrong. That's all I'm trying to say.
Sent me a message. Kennedy Agyapong, after the first case in Ghana, later granted an interview to a radio station in the US of A. His comment in the US of A was even more harsher than what he said earlier in Ghana. And that was why Anas brought a fresh case against him and the case in America. Difference.
More harsher words.
Yes.
More harsher words.
It's the same.
No, it's not the same. No, but
the same accusations. Then you want that to add more.
So are they the same? They are not the same. They are not the same. They are not the same. If they are the same, after the Ghanaian court, or see, he granted an interview. And Asema Okikafa announcement were more than what he said. And those extra ones, he has no evidence to back them. That is the import of the message received by Bobby. Or Sanki Khan Yamabua Enye. What is it?
The point is that there is a verdict.
Yes, the verdict. We didn't know animals. Verdict no one say. Verdict see until say be next 30 days. Miss trials and miss judgment those appeal whatever. You see Bobby 7 hona e bono. Na ye verdict no. Ehwan e bebo.
But Minia e dey na kofa asase we buy. Yeguso ayedim komo we no. For almost Ahmed Swali asem we it's almost like 6 years now, or 7 years. We have been struggling. You changed IGP on Monday, right? It was on Monday.
Yeah.
It was on this Monday.
Yeah.
Or last week. It was on last week Friday. Yeah, last week Friday. You need to change IGP. Saturday. Sunday. Yeah, that's already Monday. I see a Chubi.
Daniel.
Yeah, or you're linked to Ahmed Swali. A woman. Yeah, one issue. What we have heard is say he has been remanded. The first time in Evans,
me a legal brainy and I say luminary. Say be a me war. The okay, some of them can you say, baby, I grammar and I may talk about small. But the technicalities in the Yaman, movie beyond my mentality, it's in Wemeko, the street law na ye nimu abontin. The kind say, Asamono, if he find Yababe do baby, I do. The be am penny for a similar can say, Bribramba, Amanie, Emba. And sometimes, you know, on say, Uno Bina Samuna, more prewana, more chon. Sometimes, so popo and nature will be brea, Jano. Jano no kwa prepare obako to ne be ma o baby. Ana ya wase me e kan say me na o de yemi a me nka o hwe. Na so ye bu wa bonten a me njewo say ye osa. O say owura Kennedy Japan wagidin agentini e wo ensem keka ho ene abodin keka ne ensem akese ho. Waka they are for and in Ghana, for instance, no, and some be brea waka no afan wedi. Yet mean train boss, yet mean she. Okay, say or attack judiciary. Na is it justice any? Bobi okay, justice any. Case be our attack it was a big deal. And also omuya some no judiciary and kofan who di na media dem ya say politics na yesi ya but in some way at a child the tare microphone no me so o say omude ni ko gina hono no o say some no kan nyina no or say it was the spell of something like it just happened no but anya some mini no any evidence bia. They make an say it is a wooden evidence biana wuni asem bia ada na utumi ka asem ya the fan crofo e gum hu fisa. And it's the same thing as some of these things are okay in the past. Since some time be okoka asem bi fa Lodina Mahama ho. Osio all the appointments in yama bebre onu mu Lodina kura to fire sika ono approving oji yekuwi ase a osio and ono an area obetumi aka de ope. Into Moses had the way akwakoye ni suban bia odi ahye ne ho a time bia okeka nsem no pasa. And me I encourage any youth and as a bebunu and as a young person bia want enter into politics say ube emulate part the way owura Kennedy Japan ekeka nsem no sometimes on care say enye fact media the akwakosi enya de ameka say me jubility aba bebo ho powder say
can be maboto
emba me botom ena me nkoka say ye di akere no nti no ye da nyankopon ase e onu ankasa ne jejereje sabi onu an be suamu nyansa so be suamu nyansa mpo dia but e onu ankasa na semo a because asem we so anko pass am ma say nkasem bi ani wono ana me bwa say kon pass nkasem bi ani wono me nanu won say the lawyers for be say 3 and e gina hanu ma obi e che na opinion we ka we say nyon no koye ya nanka lawyers for be twe ne ho dawre e ma sisi ya ka ne ho nsem saa. It's because of onu an nsem akwakoye intimidate sa judgment ya be die well you know why me cause aka judgment because etia me start to say me can verdict for court ache they be say verdict aba me sum yes judgment ba me sum until say another be by a friend judgment different from what we have heard right now no the 80 million no and no one na ye nim whether verdict no whether you say jury verdict whether judge whatever some technicality when people from people hope you apart from 80 million no assemble from your bench from you
but you see almost say and even say so kind that until the court will adopt the verdict they cannot go after Kennedy Japan
whatever it is at least unim on say indicting no let's focus on the indictment no right now
exactly.
No, where we are
exactly
it's indicted it shows he's not credible
yes that one
that that is the let's focus on us. As some no has to see judgment in the Bible. If I say judge, so whether he will enforce, he will endorse, admit or not admit, no. To see a baby a generation say, Papa no, na se mi obeke biano, can find go nina so bia. Yes, I am.
The so-called 1 month mistrial.
That is not.
No, even the mistrial will not discount because the point is that the court proceedings, you know, so read the content now. It's saying that the man himself acknowledged that he didn't have any evidence. Oh, Makai in some no.
What kind of court proceedings? Are you sure?
No, I have read. Say,
from where?
oh, I read online.
No, it's not a matter of the judgment.
I'm not talking about judgment. I'm saying that he himself admitted in court that he didn't have any evidence via some no kind. Only enough. Ah, tell me no jina sisi akasayo. Na mababe kasem ya bi atoso. Na ubuafu. Na de mi ko jina court. Whether judgment or no judgment, na mi jina court enim ka say Mr. Mankani ye. Asembe mi o na ho.
I agree with you. But you see, whatever Kennedy Agyapong is going through, say, oh, Kasa, you don't need to hold it. You don't need. You don't need to stretch it. You don't need to stretch it so much. Rather, you are a politician. The Wafamun should be a lesson to those who have opportunity to speak publicly.
And also on cancer market and you advise to him no, it's not a voice.
It's not a voice. I'm saying that he is a politician. Those statements Kennedy made, most of these statements is made on political platforms. Most of these statements, you also made them when you have access to microphone. Now, and they Kennedy pay. And they Kennedy pay. Say, let me tell you something. The NDC. Everybody should know. Everybody should be careful. Now, unless I have access to microphone. If I'm to speak something on Bobby, should be what I know, but not to tell you.
Yes,
oh no, me I have not read the judgment. I have not read it.
See, even the jury, cut them some slack. At least give them some respect. It's all got to say.
Divine, listen to me. In Ghana, Kennedy Agyapong versus Anas. If you read the judgment and things that were said against Anas, you understand? The credibility of Anas cannot be tested anywhere when you read it. Now, the same Kennedy Agyapong versus Anas in the US, yes, the jury has come out with their verdict saying that, look, Kennedy, what you said was wrong. I have not read Minkai. If you ask Minkai, there is no judgment for me to make a say.
No, but
it's not about judgment.
We all agree that
yes, we
are waiting for the court to adapt.
But for the fact that
there's a verdict.
There's a verdict. Let's discuss the verdict.
The verdict is the
so let's stay there.
I agree with you. We're on the same wavelength. I'm saying that for him to find himself at that level should be a lesson to all of us. Say, I've known Bobby for years.
Subscribe my and share my commercial. Let me show stay connected. Kennedy Agyapong as a no AR of the part. The crampono, the rare Aho Ama Kennedy Agyapong, or rare honorable Kennedy Agyapong. And someone who can and as a summer of client cameraman, a man in some baby and as a Edinako to Amonia Kesi because court I find you say, oh, Jessica Judicial, now Jessica Judicial, I ye body, I wish any scaketua, any scaketua, any common. Because Sika is a Kennedy Agyapong in piano, which you name Sika. So say, all comments, every shade medina say, now or like in our share, now we may be soon say, I can get it up this 24/7, but in say a year to my smart for a native. It's an also or share now or more than subscribe now inside the Kennedy Agyapong. And we should be a stay tuned, stay connected.